Playing see on YouTube, I've got the old multi-weed tri-up, gave it a workout. I've got waterproof it, but it's working well. One little tip I just found, pissing around forever balancing these blades, suddenly occurred to me, I use lead to balance wheels, lead weights, lead solder, hot glue. So what you normally do is you'll normally get it balanced that way and that way, but you'll have a hell of a job getting it balanced that way, and that's because the centre's out. So I started loading out with hot glue, and then I thought, well, why not just cut a bit of lead solder off, hot glue it on, and if you can see that to the core there, and because it's heavier than the plastic, you don't have to mess around for so long. You can balance it that way. Oh shit, you can't balance it that way. You can balance it that way. You can balance it that way. Well, maybe not. You can balance it that way. 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 So yeah, just a little bit of lead solder because it's heavier. Oh, it's letting me down. Look at that. Anyway, you can piss around with it forever, but you want to get it that way, that way, that way, and that way, roughly right. And if you want to be a pussy about it, that way and that way. Not quite perfect, little way to go. It's tilting that way, which means it wants a little bit more weight here. So just do that with hot glue.